Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to repair Wannacry from a virtual machine. So like if you run it you can follow my steps. Now I don't have any specific file because I'm on a fresh VM, so now let's run Wannacry. Okay, I click on it. Run as an administrator. It's taking a bit of time and I'm only PS. I close those files, which is gonna use them for encrypt my files, but I don't have any files. I'm on a virtual machine. Sorry if you hear talking, this is my father, mother and brother. It's taking a bit of time to load. I don't know why. If it does not run on the computer, I'm gonna run it myself. Microsoft Corporation. It's not even real. There's nothing there. Place this here. Okay. Normally, it runs automatically, but I think there are also problems. Yes, this is it. Tells us that our files are encrypted. 1970. Okay, Bitcoins doesn't even exist at this time. So now, when you see this, what you need to do is you need to go on the search bar and type system configuration there. Sorry, I got again. Now you just click on run as an administrator. Now it's gonna open system configuration. Now you go on boot. Now you click on safe mode. Now make sure that minimal is selected and then click apply. Now you just close it. You can close this if you want, but this is not going to do anything. Now you hit the start menu. Now you hit the power button and you hit restart. And now it's supposed to restart in safe mode, I think. And when it will be restarted, I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, so I'm back in safe mode. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type my password. Now as you can see, Windows 10 is in safe mode. It's very minimal, and Wannacry cannot load in safe mode because it's taking only the things that are necessary to load, and they load them. So there is no network. There's no network in safe mode. So forgot about downloading an antivirus in safe mode. This will not be possible. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete all of those files. I'm also going to select those, put them in the recycle bin. I'm gonna right click, empty recycle bin, yes. Now going to the recycle bin, I go on this PC, local disk, I'm gonna delete all of those Wannacry files. Gonna go in users, command Windows, .NET, what is this? I think this is Wannacry. Yes it is. Now program files, I'm gonna check all of this. Okay, so while it's doing its thing, I'm gonna just go and program files this one. .NET is not there. That's great. Now I'm gonna empty the recycle bin. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna go into .NET. Shell. This file was not here before. Okay, I'm gonna delete them one by one. This one first. No, this selected in this one. Delete. Delete! Delete. I can delete this. I'm gonna go in this thing. Gonna delete. While it's doing that, I'm gonna go in host. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna empty recycle bin. Yes. Host. Gonna delete this. Not do anything. Close. If it was not Wannacry, I would not be able to select all of this. Empty recycle bin. Yes. Empty recycle bin, yes. Now it's deleting all of the items. This is very important to delete because if you don't delete them, Wannacry will be able to go into your system again. As you can see, how much time I've been recording. Okay. So as you can see, there's no sound in safe mode. As I told you guys, this is just a minimal of Windows. After deleting these things, I think Wannacry should be gone. I'm gonna check. Okay, that was not a good idea. This PC. Windows. Okay, so I think all is okay. So now I'm gonna restart. So like this. Then restart. Then it's restarting. I'm sorry for the cough, guys. I got a cold. So now it's restarting. The Hyper-V logo is there, and when it's gonna be restarted, I think we should not see Wannacry. I hope, because I deleted Donut, which was a big file. But we just need to delete it, because if I don't delete this file, Wannacry will be running still. So now it's restarting. Now after the restart, we should see the good result. Loading. It's loading the virtual machine. I'm gonna come back when this will be the time to enter my password. Okay, no. It just loaded. I hope we're not in safe mode, because if it's the case, I'm gonna go into system configuration again. I'm in safe mode. I'm gonna go into system configuration. I will come back when it will be restarted into normal mode. Okay guys, so I'm back in normal mode. Now I'm gonna type my password. Now it's loading the welcome. Now it's loading the desktop. It shouldn't take too long. I'm gonna come back when the desktop will be loaded.